Hello everyone and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Starting your crystal journey can feel a bit like stepping into a magical world, a bit like Hogwarts really, with all the different possibilities. Today we're going to explore the top 5 crystals that are absolutely perfect for beginners. These are the crystals I always recommend to anyone just starting out, because they offer such a wonderful range of benefits. We'll be diving into each crystal individually, learning about their unique properties and how they can bring positivity and balance into your life. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up is clear quartz, often called the master healer. It truly lives up to its name. It amplifies energy and thought. Think of it like a battery for your intentions. It promotes clarity, focus, and spiritual growth. Carrying it can enhance meditation and boost energy. Clear quartz is always a wonderful option. Next, we have the stunning Amethyst, a personal favorite of mine. It's a powerful protective stone that creates a bubble of peace around you. Ever felt overwhelmed by negative energy from stress or others? Amethyst acts like a shield, deflecting harmful vibes. It's also connected to our intuition and spiritual awareness. Keeping amethyst nearby can inspire tranquility and enhance your dreams. Chapter 3. Rose Quartz, the stone of love. Now, let's talk about love. And when we speak of love, we speak of rose quartz. This beautiful pink crystal opens your heart to love, self-love, kindness, and compassion. It's a gentle yet powerful ally for relationship challenges, encouraging forgiveness, understanding, and emotional healing, reminding you of self-care and gentleness. Keep it by your bedside for peaceful sleep and loving dreams. Chapter 4. Citrine, Abundance and Prosperity. Ready to welcome more abundance into your life? Then citrine is the crystal for you. This bright, sunny stone attracts success, prosperity, and all things good. Often called the merchant stone, citrine is believed to attract wealth and good fortune. Keep a piece in your wallet or on your desk to enhance creativity and abundance. Chapter 5. Black Tourmaline, the protector. Last but certainly not least, we have black tourmaline, a powerful grounding and protective stone. If you're sensitive to energy, or if you simply want to create a sense of safety and security around you, black tourmaline is an excellent choice. It acts like a protective shield, deflecting negative energies, electromagnetic radiation from devices, and even unhelpful thoughts. Black tourmaline is also grounding, helping you feel anchored and centered even during challenging times. Place a piece of black tourmaline near your computer to absorb electromagnetic frequencies, carry it in your pocket for protection, or meditate with it to feel grounded and secure. And there you have it, the top 5 crystals to kickstart your journey into the world of crystal healing. I hope this introduction has sparked your curiosity and given you a taste of the magic that crystals can bring. Remember, the most important thing is to choose crystals that resonate with you, that you feel drawn to. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more crystal tips, rituals, and explorations into the world of energy healing. Until next time, sending you positive vibes and wishing you a magical day.